Welcome to today's story, my friends. This is The Lost Cat, a simple, beautiful tale for English learners. It's a story about kindness, friendship, and how a small visitor changed someone's life. Let's begin. Anna was an old woman. She lived alone in a small, quiet town. Each morning, she drank tea and read a book by the window. Her life was peaceful, but sometimes very lonely. One cold morning, Anna heard a soft sound. Meow. She opened her door and saw a small black cat. It was cold, hungry, and lost. "Oh, you poor thing," Anna said. She gave the cat warm milk, wrapped it in a towel, and watched it fall asleep by the fire. Day by day, the cat returned. Anna named her Luna. They spent every evening together. Anna read stories. Luna purred softly, curled on her lap. Anna was no longer alone. But one morning, Luna didn't come. Anna waited. 1 day, 2 days. Still no Luna. The house felt quiet again. Then, on the third day, Anna heard a knock. She opened the door and saw a young boy. In his arms was Luna. "Is this your cat?" he asked. Anna smiled. "She's not mine," she said, "but she is my friend." The boy smiled. "She visits me too. Maybe she has 2 homes now." Anna laughed. From that day, Luna visited them both. And sometimes the boy came too. They shared tea, stories, and smiles. Anna's house was no longer quiet. It was full of life and love. Sometimes, a small visitor can bring big joy. All it takes is a little kindness. Thank you for listening to The Lost Cat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more easy English stories. See you next time.